The end of painful nose trimming? Xiaomi Mijia 2-in-1 review.
Ever felt like your grooming routine is a battle? You're aiming for a clean, sharp look, but your tools just tug, pull, and leave you more frustrated than when you started. It's almost like they're designed to work against you, making a simple task feel like a chore. Drop a yes if this sounds painfully familiar. You're not alone.
Now picture this. You have a last-minute video call or a big meeting, and you need a quick, confidence-boosting touch-up. Instead of a simple fix, you get watery eyes and irritation from a painful nose trimmer. The stress is real, but imagine if there was a way to get that flawless, precision look in seconds without adding more chaos to your day.
This is where the game completely changes. Meet the Xiaomi Mijia 2-in-1 electric hair trimmer, your new secret weapon for effortless grooming. It's not just another gadget, it's a breakthrough in personal care. Feel its whisper-quiet motor power a high-speed dual-head system. The first head uses a shielded 360-degree blade that glides through nose and ear hair with absolutely zero pulling. It feels like nothing at all. The second is a precision trimmer for razor-sharp sideburns and perfect beard lines. One pro told us this painless trimmer saved him right before a huge client pitch. He went from scruffy to sharp in under 60 seconds in his car. The secret is in the R-angle blade design. Stick around because we're sharing a bonus trick for the precision head that even barbers don't talk about.
This isn't just about trimming hair, it's about reclaiming your time and confidence. With 90 minutes of power from a single USB-C charge, this sleek 2-in-1 grooming tool is always ready for action. A top grooming influencer called the Xiaomi Mijia trimmer an absolute essential for his travel kit, praising its painless precision and incredible battery life. Even tech experts are floored, with one review noting, Xiaomi has set a new benchmark for performance and value. Thousands of users can't stop talking about it. One customer wrote, I was skeptical about the painless claim, but it's 100% accurate. My old trimmer is in the trash. This is smooth, effortless control that turns your routine from a chore into a satisfying ritual. Which feature would save your day? The painless nose trim or the sharp detailer? Comment below. Ready to upgrade your grooming game forever? Don't wait. This trimmer is already flying off the shelves due to massive demand and stock is limited. Join the thousands of men who have already discovered the secret to painless precision grooming. Ditch the frustration and level up your look today. Click the link in the description to secure yours now. As a bonus, using our link unlocks a quick guide to a secret feature that makes eyebrow shaping unbelievably simple. Don't just watch, jump in and transform your workflow today.